Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of Claude series. You have probably used ChatGPT, maybe you have heard of Claude. Most people assume they are the same thing, just different wrappers around the same idea. But they are not. And if you are building AI system professionally, the difference matters a lot. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Claude is, how it thinks differently, and why I use it over everything else for production use case. Now let's move to the slide for better understanding. First we need to understand what is Claude and why it is different than other AI tool, right? A boring answer would be Claude is a tool developed by Anthropic and it is a AI tool. But these are the 3 points which separates it from any other AI tool. First of all, it has 200k token context window. It can hold up to 150k words. You can paste an entire code base, a full 300 page PDF, a legal document. Claude holds all of it while answering. Now second is it can follow precise instructions. You can tell Claude to always respond in JSON, never add commentary, and it actually does it consistently, which is very critical for automated systems. Third is it has safety and reliability as a core design goal. So in case of compliance, legal, finance, which are enterprise use case, these are not optional and Claude does it best. Now we will be discussing about Claude tiers. So Claude comes in three tiers. It is more about speed versus power trade-offs. So first family of Claude models are Haiku. It is fastest, but it is also cheapest. So for simple tasks like clarification, summarization, and quick answers, this is good. If you are processing 1000 requests a day, this keeps your cost low. Now second is Sonnet. So Sonnet is for best balance use case. It has strong reasoning skill, it is fast enough for real time use case, and it has reasonable cost also. So this is what I personally use for most of the production work. Moving to the next tier, that is Opus. So Opus is most powerful for complex reasoning, nuanced tasks and long documents. Here you pay more, but for the right task. So I believe it is worth it. Now let me be direct that this isn't a ChatGPT bash. ChatGPT 4 is excellent, ChatGPT 5 is also excellent, but there are some real differences that matter for engineers. First is the context window. For Claude Sonnet, the context window is 200k, whereas for GPT 4.0 it is 128k. So it is better in Claude Sonnet. And the instruction following is also very precise, and code generation is also excellent in case of Claude Sonnet if we compare with GPT. The pricing and API reliability are similar for both the use cases. But Claude Sonnet is best for long docs, enterprise and agentic use case. For general use and plugins, I think GPT-4 is fine. Now for building agentic systems where Claude needs to follow complex multi-step instruction, process large code base and call tools reliably, it wins for my use case. That's why my channel is built around it. Now let's move to see a demo. I will be showing you the terminal where I would be using Claude. So I have already logged in into my Anthropic account and I have a pro account. I'll be pasting one Java class here and I will ask Claude to extract all the public method with name, return type and parameters from this particular class. So let me paste the Java class here. So this is the Java class. After I pasted it, it will give me the expected Claude output like this. So in this case you see there are 6 public methods which are extracted. Validate email which is excluded, it is private, and the constructor is also omitted, it is not a method in Java's type system. So this is a simple prompt example, and if we give correct prompt, the Claude should be able to answer and extract code details from the long code base. Now let's move to a different example. So in this example, I will tell Claude this. Um, so I will tell Claude to act as a data extraction API. It will respond only in valid JSON. No code blocks, just raw JSON that can be parsed directly. Now what I will do is I will write a message that what are the top 3 benefits of Claude for production systems. So it will give me result in a valid JSON format. So this is if JSON format it has given. I will also tell this that this format is not correct, please prettify. So if I tell it to prettify, it will even prettify the JSON output, and we can see that the JSON output is prettified. So this kind of tasks which are very basic can be done easily by Claude, and we can use the cheapest model to this kind of basic stuff.